Hi everyone, welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we'll be making potato gnocchi. Let's get started. Boil 2 large russet potatoes, mash them with a potato masher, a fork, or a ricer. Now make sure they are lump-free. Now add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 whole egg, and start mixing. Once you have kneaded the dough for about 2 to 3 minutes, flour your work surface, roll out the dough, and cut into thirds. Roll out each third into a thinner roll and cut 1-inch pieces with a bench scraper. Roll each piece off a well-floured gnocchi board. Add your gnocchi into salted boiling water and boil for about 2 minutes or until they float. Add 2 tablespoons of butter in your frying pan, 3 crushed cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of fresh or dry parsley, and mix for a few seconds. Add the fresh gnocchi and toss to coat them. Serve these soft, pillowy gnocchi with a grated pecorino and enjoy! We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. For full recipes and measurements, please head on over to plateonabudget.com. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.